Ground power disconnect.
The vehicle on internal power. T-minus 34 seconds and counting. The first umbilical now retracting.
First umbilical tower from booster. Ground propellant field termination.
Tower from booster. Ground propellant feed terminated.
Copy all the reports. Tower off.
The second umbilical now retracting. Standing by for engine sequence start. We have main engine ignition. Preliminary, intermediary.
Second umbilical tower.
T-minus 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Turbo pump at flight speed. Engines at maximum.
And liftoff. Holiday travel underway for the rocket ride to the International Space Station.
Maximum. Control system parameters nominal.
Flight. All onboard systems are nominal.
All onboard systems are nominal. Good first stage performance reported from the blockhouse in Baikonur.
T plus 30 seconds.
30 seconds into the flight, the Soyuz booster arcing out to the northeast from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Good roll, pitch, and yaw program, good structural stability on the rocket.
Давление в камерах двигателей в норме. 50 seconds.
Engine chamber pressure is nominal.
Nominal on board. Тангаж, рысканье, вращение в норме.
Passing through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle, max Q as it's called.
Полет нормальный. T plus 70 seconds.
70 seconds into the flight. Good first stage engine performance reported.
Параметры системы управления ракеты-носителя в норме. 90. Двигатели первой и второй ступеней работают нормально.
And the view inside the descent module showing Kud Sverchkov at the bottom. To his left, Sergei Mikheyev. All engine parameters reported to be functioning normally.
The vehicle is nominal. Everything's fine on board as well. And we confirm pressure GGO parameters.
And we have confirmation of first stage separation. The strap-on boosters falling away nominally. 2 minutes and change since the launch of the Soyuz booster.
Stage separation is confirmed.
The Soyuz now operating on the power of its second stage engine.
Параметры конструкции ракеты-носителя в норме.
All structural parameters reported to be normal on the Soyuz.
Двигатель второй ступени работает нормально.
Coming up on the 3-minute mark.
We confirm есть сброс створок головного обтекателя.
The launch shroud encapsulating the Soyuz booster, the Soyuz spacecraft, has now been jettisoned. 3 minutes into the flight, this view from the camera on the upper stage of the Soyuz 2.1A booster.
And we confirm everything's fine on board. Полет нормальный. Время КП 12 часов 27 минут 57 секунд 402 миллисекунды.
190 seconds into the flight, the reports are continuing to come in, and all is green from the blockhouse in Baikonur.
Second stage is nominal.
200 seconds. Second stage thrusters are working nominally.
Second stage thrusters reported to be operating normally. Good structural stability.
Flight is nominal.
220 seconds, nominal flight.
Coming up on the 4-minute mark into the flight.
Copy, everything's fine on board. We're feeling great.
Kud Sverchkov reports he and his crewmates are in good shape, feeling great. The second stage shutdown scheduled at the 4-minute, 37-second mark into the flight.
T plus 50. Your pitch and roll are all nominal, and on our side, everything's fine on board. We're feeling good. T plus 270 seconds. The vehicle is nominal. Everything's fine on board. We're feeling good.
And we have second stage shutdown.
Second stage separation confirmed. Copy. Second stage separation is confirmed.
Lower skirt has been separated. The third stage engine now propelling the Soyuz to its preliminary orbit, providing 67,000 pounds of thrust. This burn will continue until about the 8-minute 46-second mark, when it will shut down and the Soyuz will be placed into its preliminary orbit.
The vehicle is nominal. Copy. Everything's fine on board.
Coming up on the 6-minute mark into the flight.
T plus 3.
About 2 minutes and 46 seconds of powered flight remaining.
Everything's fine on board. We're feeling good.
Good reports on the performance of the third stage engine.
30 seconds. Engines working nominally.
6.5 minutes into the flight.
Fine on board.
A little over 2 minutes of powered flight remaining. Liftoff time was confirmed at 3:27 and 57 seconds a.m. Central Time, 2:27 and 57 seconds p.m. at the launch site in Baikonur. Passing 7 minutes into the flight, about 1 minute 46 seconds of powered flight remaining.
T plus 420 seconds. Your pitch and roll are all nominal. Copy. We're feeling good. T plus 450 seconds. Nominal flight. Copy. The crew is feeling fine.
We're approaching the 8-minute mark into the flight. Less than a minute of powered flight remaining.
T plus 480. The vehicle is stable. Copy. And everything's okay on board, and we're feeling good. T plus 500 seconds. Nominal flight.
The third stage engine beginning to throttle down in preparation for its shutdown and separation.
510 seconds. T plus 520. Third stage. Get ready for third stage separation.
And we have third stage shutdown and separation. A nominal ride uphill for Williams, Kudzverchkov, and Mikheyev. We'll be watching momentarily for the deployment of the solar arrays and the navigational antennas on the MS-28. And there they go. And we now have confirmation that the arrays and navigational antennas have all been deployed normally. A perfect ride uphill for the soon-to-be newest trio of residents of the International Space Station.
We confirm a third stage separation was nominal. Great. Now close RPV 1 and 2. So that's going to be parameters 21. Copy. RPV 1 is closed. Unintelligible. Repress.
A perfect ride uphill for the 3 crew members aboard the Soyuz MS-28.
Put in Ctrl S from in work and close the launch insertion display. 37 minutes. Pressure in BO is 824. Next pressure is 884.
The crew on board Soyuz MS-28, led by the commander, Sergei Kudzverchkov, the Soyuz commander.
Moving on to page 36.
In the process of receiving parameters from the Russian mission controllers in Korolyov outside of Moscow, who are now in control of the flight of Soyuz to the station, following a flawless launch and ascent to its preliminary orbit.
Dynamic mode is enabled at 12:10. And we see that you turned on the video. We are receiving the video signal from you.
And there's a view of the control panel inside the Soyuz spacecraft with a variety of different technical parameters that are being monitored by the launch control team in Baikonur, as well as the flight controllers in Korolyov at the Russian Mission Control Center outside of Moscow.
Went through, and we are turning off repress. Copy. And we're standing by for form 03.
The next burn
17.
in the sequence of rendezvous maneuvers is scheduled just after 4 a.m. Central Time. This is our first view from an external television camera on the Soyuz. This will come into play more prominently when we get back into our next broadcast for rendezvous and docking to the Rosviet module of the International Space Station. Coming up just after 4 a.m. will be what is called the DV-1 burn, the Delta Velocity 1 burn. That will increase the speed of the Soyuz by about 22 meters per second, fine-tuning its path on route to a fast-track rendezvous with the space station later this morning.
23rd, 326, 24, 17.7, 25th, 17.2, 26, 272, and prop is 878. We copy all Kretcher 2. And
the Soyuz crew is testing now one of the redundant sets of the Corps' automated rendezvous system that will guide the Soyuz into an automated docking to the Rosviet module. In the unlikely event anything would happen that would inhibit the Corps system from operating normally, Kudzverchkov will take over manual control of the flying of the Soyuz for its docking. But the Corps system is up and running and currently being tested, and everything appears to be in good shape. Back here in Mission Control in Houston, the Orbit 1 team of flight controllers has had its morning daily planning conference with the Expedition 73 crew aboard the station, who watched the launch of Soyuz MS-28 on a video uplink to the station itself. Everything aboard the station is in readiness for the arrival of the newest trio of residents for the complex, as Williams, Mikheyev, and Kudzverchkov are in the early minutes of their ride to the station that will culminate with a automated docking to the Rosviet module at 6:38 a.m. Central Time, 7:38 a.m. Eastern Time. We will be back on the air with our rendezvous and docking coverage, as you see on this graphic, at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Time, 5:45 a.m. Central Time, following today's successful launch of Soyuz MS-28. So we'll see you back here in a couple of hours. In the meantime, happy Thanksgiving once again. This is Mission Control Houston.
3, 5, 7, and 9.